Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the ice container and auger assembly in the Frigidaire refrigerator. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a couple of minutes to show you how to do it. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new ice container and auger assembly. The ice container and auger assembly is used for storing and dispensing the ice cubes. It easily slides in and out. The main reason for the ice container and auger assembly to be replaced is if it's broken and stops dispensing ice. To get to the part, we need to open the freezer door. To remove the old ice container and auger assembly, all we need to do is just lift it up slightly and pull it out. This is the old ice container and auger assembly next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. Before installing a new ice container, I'd like you to pay attention to one little detail, very important. This part of the coupling supposed to be oriented different way than the coupling at the back there. In our case, it's actually the same way. So what we're going to do, we're going to turn the auger 90 degrees, 85 degrees approximately. And then we can install the new ice container and auger assembly by just sliding it in. Make sure it locks. And we can close the door now. Plug the fridge back in and make sure it's cooling. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other repair videos available on our site, on Facebook, and on YouTube.